Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make your own stickers for Instagram stories or how to add your own sticker to Instagram story. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application. After that, click on add story icon from here. Then select a picture from your file manager which you want to add to your Instagram story. After that, tap on stickers icon at the top. Now you can see that I have created my own stickers from here. If you want to create your own stickers, then just click on cutouts button from here. After that, select a picture from your file manager which you want to convert to a sticker. And now you can see that my sticker is creating. Now you can see that my sticker has been created successfully. After that, click on use sticker to add it to your story. Now your sticker has been added to your story. And now you will be able to place this sticker anywhere on the story. So by this process you can create and add your own sticker for Instagram stories. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.